Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. So as always guys, we always start with the dirtiest part of the car, which is normally the arches and the wheels and tyres. So I've applied Nitty Gritty, their pre-wash degreaser, at a ratio of 10:1 to my IK sprayer, applied it to the arches and the tyres, and then we go in with a few different brushes. As you'll notice, I go in with the Easy Go brush for the arches and the soft bristle Vican brush for the tyres. And as always guys, the tyres really need maybe a second or a third hit just to get rid of all the ingrained dirt into the rubber. So now to tackle the wheel face and the inner barrels. Now we're going to try Duel Autocare's Axis, which is an acid-free wheel cleaner. I've mixed this in a ratio of 1:5, and we're just going to tackle it with the Easy Barrel brush and a few others. But you can really see this wheel cleaner bringing all the dirt out of the barrels. So it really does its job very well. So now we're back to the same 1 in 10 Nitty Gritty pre-wash solution or degreaser as we used on the arches and the tyres. And as you'll see, the IK sprayer makes light work of covering this side of the car in this citrus pre-wash. Once I applied this citrus pre-wash all around the lower third of the car, it does say to leave for between 2 to 3 minutes. Now weather conditions was good, so I probably left this on for around about 5 minutes. And as you'll see guys, just by rinsing off that one driver's door, there is a massive difference. Pre-wash, pre-wash, pre-wash. That's what it's all about. If you get your pre-wash all done and sorted, then you will minimize the swirls and scratches when it comes to the contact wash. So get your pre-wash game on point and you won't go wrong. So now we're moving on to Assault, their pre-wash snow foam. Now this stuff was super foamy, it had good cleaning power. I left it dwell for about 10 minutes while I was going round and done my brushwork. It's safe on all waxes and sealants, and I think It's an apple scented snow foam. I mixed this as 100 ml in the snow foam lance and 400 ml of cold water. I just left to dwell. But yeah, I definitely would use this again. While your snow foam's on the car, guys, this is a good time to go around and do your brushwork. Get into all the niggly little crevices and bits that you couldn't normally get to with a wash mitt. Like the fuel cap, round the grills, round the back lights. So now it's time to rinse off. Like I've said, I rinse from bottom to top so you know where you've been, but it doesn't matter which way you want to do it. It's totally your choice. As long as you get all the product off the car, who cares? So I just wanted to include this little bit that I hit it with Fallout and Tarn glue before the contact wash stage. This took 2 hits of Fallout. It was that bad. I don't know when this was washed last, but it did need it. Now we're on to the star of the show for me. This is Bahama Blue, which is a highly concentrated pH neutral shampoo. As you'll see, I'm applying this via the MJJC version 3S snow foam lance, which I like to do these days. I think it's the new way of doing things. Gone are the days of the 2 bucket method. Also, after I'm finished applying this, I do spray the remainder of the shampoo in a bucket with several wash mitts and then wash the car. Well, so what did I think? This stuff was super slick, really nice to use, and the smell was absolutely superb. This is really good stuff, and I will definitely be using this stuff again. So we're on to our final rinse down just before we dry the car. We're on to Nitro, which is their quick detailer. As any detailer, just a fine mist over the car, buff in with a cloth, flip the cloth, and buff off. It is as simple as that. Now, this stuff did leave a nice warm shine, and it does have an incredible smell again. Super easy to use, and it can be used on all surfaces, even use it as a glass cleaner. Well, look at that for a difference, guys. as you'll agree, difference between before and after is night and day. These products are really good. Definitely will be using some of them again. If you've used any of this Duel products, drop it down in the comments. What was your thoughts? What was your standout? And as always, guys, I really appreciate each and every one of you taking the time out to watch, like, and subscribe to the channel. We got a nice big BMW X5 coming next week. And I'll catch you then. Take care. Bye-bye now.